Let me show you how to do this arcane LeBlanc cosplay. I put on my palest foundation. Using Going Platinum, the Morph palette, I'm going in with the Paparazzi here, and we are going to kind of build up a shadow here, right here, quite a bit. And we're going to come over here and build up quite a shadow here, so it looks like I have a high cheekbone and a harsh cheekbone as well. So for her contour on her cheek, it's like this rather than like the other ones from the Arcane where it's straight. There's almost like a little hollow right here too. And that's more of the cheek, and we're gonna arch right here with some highlighter later. Make sure to go kind of up here and up here as well and really blend that well. And then with the excess, we're kind of gonna go right there, just slightly to kind of bring that out, but very slight. And then we gotta kind of go down the nose here, and right here we want to powder it, just right there, okay? Because hers doesn't go out as far as the other arcane characters do, so just more right here. Lovely. And then we also want to bring the cheekbone in quite a bit. Now for the lips, go harsh here, okay? Very harsh. Bring it over here as well. Right in here. Get underneath there good too. A little over here and a little over here. And we'll fix this up with concealer. And a little bit here as well. We're gonna do a little bit of shadow like right along here. Just a little itty bitty bit. Bring it in a little bit more. We're also gonna bring this shadow in here deeply and deeply on this side. Now I'm mixing a little bit of the Paparazzi in with some of the Spiked from the Morph 35T palette. We're gonna put a little bit like kind of over here a little bit just to kind of give it more of a different color. You see what I'm doing there? We're gonna do that the other side too. It's gonna kind of come in here just a smidgen, itty little bit, and bring it a little bit deeper down. Just like that. Lovely. So what I did is I kind of am elongating my arch here so that way it looks like hers. We're gonna bring it right over and then we'll kind of connect it down. And what I'm also doing is I am putting like an edge like this over my eyebrow. That way it looks a little bit more like her shape. So now we're going to kind of go in with the Have Your Cake here. And we're going to do a little bit of the eye creases here that she has, or like the different way that her eye kind of is. Like right here. And we're going to kind of come down here and we're going to contour the nose. So we really want it to be like right like this. So that way it's like really angled. And then we're going to go like this. Bring it up. Make it nice and narrow too. And then we're going to bring that over. Now we're gonna shade the eyes a little bit, and we're just kind of gonna go right in here and bring it down, and then under this eye a little bit more than the other side. Now we're just gonna lightly put this here and lightly put this one there. Lovely. For the eyes, it's gonna be this beautiful black smoky eye, so we're using a really nice black. We're gonna really smoke this out because that's exactly what's going on with our eyes, is they're just so beautiful and so smoky. We are literally gonna put the slightest amount of blush, like so light, it's nothing. And then tap it out with your fingers. We're gonna do a little line right here. Make a line right there and then blend it out. Now I am just using some concealer and we are going to just go around and highlight a few areas that need to be highlighted. We're gonna do the lips later, but right now I want to add some of like the little weird things that I made for this cosplay. Like, I don't have anything like this, so I made it. So we're gonna put that right on my forehead right here. Lovely. Let me go look at the picture so I place it right. It actually works. I'm so freaking pumped. You have no idea. So now I have 2 little strips that I'm gonna glue. We're gonna glue those down, so yay. The headpiece is on. Yay. Used gold paint and black cardboard to do all of her accessories. I have all of our add-ons on. I feel silly. I feel really ridiculous, but now we're gonna extend the gold down. And what we're going to use for that is this Gold Seekers, the Gold Seeker itself. And we're gonna use a brush with some setting spray on it and bring it down. All right, so we're gonna mix it in. I put setting spray directly on the brush, and we are going to just bring it down. There we go. Now it's starting to come together. Lovely. Now I'm going to do the other side. Now for the lips, we're going to use Pillow Talk in the shade Intense. And really kind of bring up the tops here. Lovely. And now I'm going to fill in the top lip with that. And this is the final result with the lips done. I do feel like I did a decent job. So if you liked it, please like, please share this. It would really help my channel grow and I would appreciate it so much. So thank you so much for watching and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!